So guys, now we'll see how we can search the location of the files that we have to use. Let's say, for example, we have to search for aircrack-ng. Where is aircrack-ng, right? So what we can do is we simply can use locate command. We can use locate aircrack-ng. What this command is going to do, this command is simply going to tell us where aircrack-ng is, right? As you can see, I've got this aircrack.ng files on my screen right here. So this is kind of the stuff we can get. So but the thing is, this locate command is not perfect. The main issue is that it gives us too much result. It's really overwhelming. And apart from it, the locate command uses a database that is only updated once a day. So for example, let's say if you have created a file or a folder which is like only a minute or few hours ago, it won't appear in your file until the next day. It is worth to know these disadvantages of basic commands so that you can then decide which command you can use. So locate is the next command. Now another command is where is. This we can do like this. Where is, there is nothing to explain too much. Here, crack hyphen ng. See, we got it now. This, as I told you, these are executable files. Those are in bin. What are those? If you remember it, let me know. And if don't, then no issues. I'll tell you. These are binaries. Binaries are the executable files. See, I told you in the earlier and in the mid also. Yep, binaries in the bin folder. So you got it. So now this is where is command. This is particularly used if you are needing to find the binary file only. Like if you want to find the binary files, then you can do it with where is. Now you can write where is also here where is used to find the binary. That's it. Now let's in this case like it has for this particular case what it has returned, you can see it here also. Yep, man command. So this is the manual also, right? And besides it's really efficient. You see how we only got the executable file, so that is really efficient thing. Now we can now how we can find the binary files with the path variable where it is located. With which path variable? Like finding binaries in the path variable with which. Now we will use the which command. It's not the WITCH which, it's WHICH which. So now if we type which aircrack engine, then we are going to have only this file. You see, this is only the executable file. That's it. This is only the executable file. We are finding just the binaries. Here, whereas we get a little bit of manual also, but in this which command, we only get the binary file only. So this is the which command, and it is used to find binaries in the path variable. Okay, so this is the path variable. Don't worry, we'll see about what path variable is in upcoming videos. So there is nothing to panic about. Now, now what we can do? Now we can perform more powerful searches. There are much more powerful searches that we can perform. Okay, and that we can do with the find command. The command name is find. Yeah, this command. It is a really great command to use, and it really has some powerful features that, and it's the most flexible also in the searching utilities. It can, it is like capable of beginning your search in any designated directory and looking for numbers and different parameters, including the course. So what we use is, okay, let me tell you this, just performing more powerful searches, and then how we do it, we first type, then we type the directory, then we type some options, then we type the expressions. I'll tell you what it is. So for example, if I want to find a file called Apache 2, right? So how can I do this? I have to type find, then hyphen, then forward slash, then hyphen type, then F, then hyphen name. Just a second. F, then name, then Apache, Apache 2. So you see this? Though it's like permission getting denied because we are not a root user, we are the normal Linux user. So that's why if I convert it into the root user, then these permission denial won't be coming. Okay, so you know now how to use it. Let me tell you in a more specific way. So now let's see. First we type find, then we did forward slash. Where to find it? Okay, this forward slash is the first thing. That is where we have to find the start search, where the start search will be like in state that we have to first state the directory in which to start the search. In this case, we have taken forward slash, then I would be specifying the type of file. In this case, we have done F. F is ordinary file. Okay, F stands for ordinary file. So first we did this, which directory. Okay, first we are going to do which directory or from where I have to start the search, then I have to type what file it is. So it is type F. It's normal ordinary file, nothing new about it. That's it. Then you have to give hyphen name. What is this hyphen name stands for? Hyphen name stands for what is the name of the file. So then hyphen name. This name, just a second, guys. Yeah. Okay, now you got it. Apache 2. This name specifies what is the name, what will be the, this is a parameter after which we have to type the name of the file. In example, we have typed Apache 2, we can type the files also, whatever we use. Okay, it, the find command starts at the top of the file system, like we have used this forward slash, this is the top of the file system, and then it went through every directory. Like if you do this, like see, it's like proc, run, sys, kernel, temp, right? Every directory. It is, there are more folders in proc, like a thousand and number of folders are there. I can't go through every shit, right? So yeah, then sys also. Then there are many more folders. This get to the, like when I typed hyphen, it was the top level file system, and then it went to the every directory looking for this particular file. Okay. So now let me tell you, for example, we used only this hyphen, right? This forward slash, and it was every directory we searched. Now let's say if I want to see if there is only, if there is like what Apache file is there in the etc folder. So now I'll type this, then see, we got some results, right? So credits to VPNC, SSL, Volcare, IPsec.d, Gradstore again. So these are some of the folders, the directories. These are the directories which are permission denied. If I go for, let me just show you. If I go for sudo su, then yeah, so pretty much I was sure about this. Now sudo su, see, now I'm in the root user. And now if I type this command find hyphen etc type f hyphen name, and what's the name? See, case sensitive. Space also is required. Apache 2. We are not able to find this. Why? Because it's not in the root directory that is installed. So yeah, this is pretty much. If I again type sudo su, then I have to type Kali. Then I will be switched here. Okay. So this is the thing. Cool. Now, what happened was first when I was using this particular forward slash, it was going to it entered into the top level of the file system and then it went to every directory. But now what we are doing is if we type like this, then it will only go through etc directory which is there. Yeah, that's cool. Now what we can do? We can put some wildcard also. Okay, like find then forward slash etc then what type of file it is. It is ordinary file as I said. Should be hyphen kypef. Then what is the name of the file? Sorry for mismatch actually. Type and okay. I guess I'm pressing it too hard. Yep. Hyphen name. Again I pressed it too hard. Apache 2. Okay. Now what is going to happen? This is much quicker search only because we found the occurrence of Apache 2 in the etc search, okay, in the subdirectory. Now it is also important to note that unlike some other search commands like file display only exact match, if the file Apache 2 has an extension like apache2.config, the search will not find a match. Okay, I am searching only Apache 2. So if there are any more files if there are any more files which are there in the Apache, I won't be able to get it in the etc folder. I won't be able to get it. Why? Because it is it doesn't have extension. If the file has extension, it won't show. It will only show the exact name. Whatever I put, if I am putting Apache, that it will only show the results of Apache. If I'm putting Apache 2, it will show the results of Apache 2. Okay. So now here comes the wildcard. Now, if I put dot and then star. Okay. So there is a mistake that I did, I guess. Uh, yeah. See, there are some more folders, I guess. If I type this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 6, but yeah, you can get the directories like this, okay? Because it's like there are different format like star, then dot, then comma, then question mark, like these. These are some kind of a wildcard. When this we will run this particular command, we can return like it should have returned apache.config, but since I'm doing like this, it won't. Wait, let me show you guys. If I add sudo, it takes time to reflect. Sudo, then I type the password. Then what happens? Okay, password wrong. Great. It's reflecting nothing. So it doesn't work as a sudo. But yeah, you got my point, right? So for this particular Apache, it's really sensitive. So whatever name you use, it will only show that name. If you are using Apache 2, it will show Apache 2. If you are using dot, it will show dot. If you are using dot plus star, it will show that. And different type of things that you can jump on and really check. Okay, so this is particularly this much.